talking about LinkedIn. I have a prompt that I am going to be using to help rewrite my LinkedIn bio as I transition from an educational consultant to a freelancer. So the prompt just starts out by asking me for my name. I'm going to put that in there. Latasha Crenshaw. Latasha Crenshaw, am a 9 to 5 professional transitioning into AI powered freelance work and some of the information is already there, so I am going to remove content creation, AI consultants, social media management. For the time being, copywriting and social media management. I have 26 years of experience in my current role of education. And I want to attract the type of clients that I want to attract. And those would include small business owners, um, course creators, local businesses, nonprofits, etc., who need help with creating content with ChatGPT and Google Gemini, designing social posts, remove that, and building presentations with Gamma. Starting from, and so this is getting into um, describing my LinkedIn profile. And it says, I'm starting from a basic LinkedIn profile that looks like an employee's resume. And my goal is to build a profile and content strategy that clearly positions me as a freelancer available for project work. So now we wanted to create a weekly time frame for how we are going to take care of these action plans in LinkedIn. I'm going to pop in my brief bio. That's just a brief summary, a little bit more about me to help ChatGPT work with me to set up my LinkedIn bio to take me from a 9 to 5 to a freelancer. And we are just going to pop that in here. What we are doing is just giving ChatGPT a bit more information about me. And let's hit go. You can see now that it is giving me so much information about a 12-week LinkedIn transformation roadmap, right? So it's telling me my launch plan, it's telling me my goal, what I should be doing month one, week one, step by step, update your headline to a client facing positioning statement, and it's giving me the suggestion, rewrite my about section, daily 15-minute task, and all the way down to 12 weeks. And it's still going. And so now I am going to I'm going to ask it, what should I put on my cover image? And let's see what it says. All right, so here are 5 impactful LinkedIn cover images ideas. Buy back your time with AI, your signature promise, clarity, simplicity, systems. Let's see. And so it's telling me your AI content and systems partner, and it's giving me information about putting my name. And then it gave me the best suggestion, and it gave me design notes. Now I'm going to ask it to write my headline for me and give me 3 options in LinkedIn headline format. And if you have an example that you like when you're looking in LinkedIn, you could give it an example of a person that you've seen and you like that. All right, so I have my three options that I can choose from. For the three options, let's see: AI powered freelancer, content creator, AI system strategist, GPT Gemini consultant, social media management, turn freelance content. I like option one the best. I do like where it said 26-year educator turned AI consultant. Um, I like option three, but I would like to have this as the ending statement. All right, and let's see what we get. And so here's a polished version of it. So it kind of took everything that I asked for: AI content creator and workflow strategist, 26-year educator turned consultant, freelance copywriting, social media, and AI powered systems, helping busy CEOs and small businesses buy back their time. That is perfect. So now I am going to ask it to please put the daily and weekly activities in a table format that I can check off as I do them to help me be accountable. I would like to print it off, print it off as a document month by month. All right. And so now I'm getting the table format of everything that I need to do month by month and day by day. And all I have to do is copy the table onto a new document to print it out. Now I'm going to ask it, are there any monthly activities or quarterly activities that I should be thinking of? Please put these in table format. And so now it's giving me additional activities that were not included in the previous activities and my table. So it's giving me brand growth activities, yearly activities. Now I'm going to ask it, am I missing anything in these activities in order to be successful on LinkedIn? Most people skip the messaging and brand clarity, review my who I help statements monthly, social proof, so share one client win, lead generation systems, create lead magnets, relationship building, skill development, And so just these five things it told me about. And the last thing that we are going to do, because I know this has been a lot, but I wanted to just show you how quickly we can get things done with the assistance of ChatGPT. Now I'm going to tell it, okay, please incorporate that and reorganize all of this information in a way that I can print it. And let's see what it does. So it's fully reorganizing my LinkedIn success system. So now we are getting the daily LinkedIn tasks, we are getting the weekly LinkedIn tasks, we are getting the monthly LinkedIn growth activities, we are getting the quarterly LinkedIn business review, and we are getting content strategies. So I wanted to show how I am getting started revamping my LinkedIn, transitioning myself from a 9 to 5er to a freelancer, and redoing my LinkedIn profile with ChatGPT's help. I hope this was helpful.